Imagine navigating a room without being able to see. Today, I am going to show you how I use a Raspberry Pi 4B to create an assistive vision system for the blind. For this project, I use Raspberry Pi 4B. It has power needed for real-time image processing. Camera module mounted on a goggles to act as the eyes. Earphones. This provide a voice for the user. Everything is connected directly to the Pi, making it portable and wearable device. How it's work? The camera captures live feeding from the environment, and a Raspberry Pi runs an object detection algorithm to identify what kind of font of the user. Once the object, like a bottle or a laptop, it can anything, it's identified. The Pi converts the text into speech to play through the earphones. Software. I use a programming for the programming Python software that's all inbuilt in a Raspberry Pi. Just only need to download some libraries. To manage the system, I see whatever happening under the hood. I use RealVNC. This allows me to view the Pi's desktop in my laptop wirelessly, which was essential for debugging and fine-tuning the object recognition. You can see real-time demo. This project shows how accessible AI and hardware like Raspberry Pi can be used to solve real-world problems. If you have any question about this code or the assembly, drop the comment below.